the coal. With the help of this coal is converted into coke, then coal tar and coal gas. Now we will move towards the next fossil fuel, that is petroleum. Petroleum is a dark colored, thick, oily liquid. It has an unpleasant smell. Most probably every student has the idea how it smells, because nowadays each and every house we will have the two-wheeler or four-wheeler, and we are used to with this petrol and diesel. So I hope all of you have an idea how unpleasant smell this petrol or diesel have. In Greek language, Petra means rocks. We are going to divide this, or we are going to find out the meaning of petroleum. What is the meaning of petroleum? In Greek language, Petra means rock and oleum means oil. Means petroleum is the oil which is getting from the rocks. So the word petroleum means oil from rocks. Petrol is used as a fuel in light automobiles such as motorcycles, scooter and cars. Heavy motor vehicles like trucks and tractors run on diesel. So this is actually a knowledge to you students. So light automobiles means जिनका weight कम है. We can take example of bike, scooters and cars. इसमें generally petrol use किया जाता है. And heavy motor vehicles like trucks and tractors, उसमें हम we are using the diesel. उसका जो इंजन होता है वो उसका कैपेसिटी ज़्यादा होता है एंड इट नीड्स डीजल, वो पेट्रोल पे रन नहीं कर सकता है. ओके, पेट्रोल एंड डीजल आर ऑब्टेन्ड फ्रॉम अ नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज कॉल्ड पेट्रोलियम. So this petrol and diesel we are getting from the natural resource, and that is common, that is petroleum. How petroleum is formed? Petroleum was formed from organisms living in the sea. Got it my point? From where we are getting this petroleum? The organisms that were living in sea. As these organisms died, their bodies settled at the bottom. Their bodies settled at the bottom on the sea and got covered layers of sand and clay. क्या हुआ? पेट्रोलियम कहाँ मिलता है? एक्वाटिक बॉडीज, सी, जहाँ पे क्या होता है, प्लांट एंड एनिमल्स व्हेन दे आर डेड, वो मर गए. ओके, उसके बाद दे सेटल डाउन, बिल्कुल बॉटम में वो सेटल हो गए. उसके बाद क्या लेयर बनता गया? सॉइल का, क्ले का, उसके ऊपर लेयर बनता गया. और मिलियंस ऑफ ईयर्स के बाद एब्सेंस ऑफ एयर, वहां पे क्या नहीं है? एयर इज नॉट प्रेजेंट देयर. एब्सेंस ऑफ एयर, हाई टेम्परेचर एंड हाई प्रेशर ट्रांसफॉर्म्ड द डेड ऑर्गेनिजम्स इनटू पेट्रोलियम. सो दिस इज द इमेज यू कैन कम टू नो स्टूडेंट्स की क्या होता है. पेट्रोलियम वी आर गेटिंग इन एक्वाटिक बॉडीज में, एंड सेम थियरी इज देयर एज आई एक्सप्लेन, जैसे मैंने कोल का एक्सप्लेन किया था, बट इट वॉज ऑन द लैंड and petroleum is in the aquatic bodies. Example I have given sea. Okay, so it shows the deposits of petroleum and natural gas. So petroleum and natural gas में उसका क्या होता है? over a time period of millions of year, उसके बाद this जो plant bodies है, animal bodies है, absence of air and you know अर्थ क्रस्ट में बहुत सारा टेम्परेचर है ड्यू टू हाई प्रेशर एंड टेम्परेचर, absence of air, this plants and animals are converted into fossil fuels, and that is petroleum. The layer containing petroleum and natural gas is found above the water. वो कहाँ मिलेगा हमें? Above the water, water के ऊपर मिलेगा. Petroleum and natural gas are lighter than water and do not mix with it. तो यू विल हैव द क्वेश्चन कि ऐसे वाटर में कैसे मैडम? तो वन मोर जस्ट आइडिया आई वांट टू फ्लोट ऑन सरफेस कि क्या है दिस पेट्रोल एंड डीजल, दे आर नॉट मिक्सड विथ वाटर. वो वाटर में मिसिबल नहीं है, दैट इज इमिसिबल इन वाटर. सो वो क्या हो जाएंगे? it will come up. These are the actually machineries. These are the refineries. In these refineries, this petrol and diesel can form. We can actually distill it, students. It form in sea only. We can extract from there, and there is separation of this petrol, diesel and natural gas. So such a type of refineries are we people, human beings have made, then put on there, and they are just take out petroleum from there, and after that there is some processes and we are getting this petrol and diesel, even natural gas. In India, petroleum is found in Assam and Gujarat. As we discussed, कोल के बारे में हमारा डिस्कशन हो गया है. अब नाउ वी विल फोकस ऑन द पेट्रोलियम इन इंडिया, वेयर वी आर गेटिंग this petroleum. First of all, Assam, then Gujarat, third is the Mumbai high and in the river basin of Godavari and Krishna. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आसाम हो गया, गुजरात हो गया, ये टू स्टेट्स. महाराष्ट्र में मुंबई है, देन गोदावरी एंड कृष्णा. दिस गोदावरी एंड कृष्णा आर इन द साउथ इंडिया. ओके, ये साउथ इंडिया है. जस्ट अराउंड आई थिंक कर्नाटका एंड महाराष्ट्र के बाद कर्नाटका आता है. एक्चुअली गोदावरी रिवर इज प्रेजेंट इन महाराष्ट्र ऑल्सो. इट इज flowing from कर्नाटका तमिलनाडु से, दैट इज इन महाराष्ट्र. सो दिस ये जो गोदावरी एंड कृष्णा का बेसिन है, वहाँ पे भी वी आर हैविंग द पेट्रोलियम. नाउ रिफाइनिंग ऑफ पेट्रोलियम. ओके, रिफाइनिंग ऑफ पेट्रोलियम. रिफाइनिंग मीन्स क्या? उसका सेपरेशन होता है, प्यूरिफिकेशन होता है, दैट इज रिफाइनिंग ऑफ पेट्रोलियम. पेट्रोलियम इज अ मिक्सचर ऑफ वेरियस कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट्स. Petroleum is the mixture of various constituents like petroleum, gas, it is in the form of gas, petrol, diesel, lubricating oil, paraffin wax, etc. So ये जो petroleum है, it has the different constituents, whatever I said. So the process of separating the various constituents or fractions of petroleum is known as refining. It is carried out in a petroleum refinery. So different types of constituents are present in petroleum and we need to separate it. So this separation is done in petroleum refinery. How this petroleum is formed, you will have the idea. You can see it by taking your time and you can observe how this it was. Many useful substances are obtained from petroleum and natural gas. These are termed as petrochemicals. From this petroleum we are getting petroleum and natural gas, and उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? Petrochemicals. These are used in the manufacture of detergents, fibers. So petrochemicals, and actually I want to tell you students, we are in Ankleshwar, just I think 50-60 kilometer away, Dahej, that village that is situated just I think in Dahej we are having the Reliance plant, and there that Reliance plant actually it was IPCL and now it is Reliance has overtaken it. So in that industry also this petrochemical, that is based on the petrochemical, it is the bank of that sea only. So in that plant this petrochemicals are produced and they are used as a starting material for the used in manufacture of detergents, fibers, polythene and other man-made plastics. Hydrogen gas obtained from natural gas is used in the production of fertilizers like urea. So whatever the hydrogen gas we are getting from this process refining of this petroleum, that hydrogen gas is used as a starting material for the preparation of fertilizer. That fertilizer यूरिया के प्रिपरेशन में हाइड्रोजन का यूज किया जाता है, which we got from this petroleum. Due to its great commercial importance, petroleum is also called black gold. So because it has tremendous uses, you know students, you can't imagine our life without petroleum. ये petroleum के without we cannot think our life, and that's why this petroleum is called as black gold. Now students, we are going to discuss about next fossil fuel, that is natural gas. Okay, it is very important fossil fuel because it is easy to transport through pipes. This natural resource is easy to transport through pipes, so it is very important. It is stored under high pressure as compressed natural gas. When we want to store it, we can store it under high pressure as compressed natural gas, and that's why its short form is compressed natural gas, means CNG. It is used for power generation. What is the use of natural gas? It is used for power generation. It is now being used as soon fuel for transport vehicle because it is less polluting. It is cleaner fuel. Natural gas, as we discussed I think in 6th lesson, combustion and fuel, natural gas is better fuel than petrol and diesel because it has the capacity, means its characteristic is it make less pollution. Then a great advantage of CNG is that it can be supplied directly from the gas wells to the home. And being a citizen of Ankleshwar, we are very well known about it because most of the people, we are having the gas lines at our homes, and we are getting it from the Gujarat Gas. So this is CNG, you know. A great advantage of CNG is that it can be supplied directly from the gas wells to the home and factors through a network of underground pipelines to be used for burning. Natural gas is also used as a starting material for the manufacture of a number of chemicals and fertilizers. So natural gas are used as a raw material or starting material for the manufacturing of lots of chemicals and fertilizers. You very well about the fertilizer, just like urea, then NPK, just like this. Okay, so the starting material would be natural gas, its uses. In our country, natural gas has been found in, so where we are getting and where it is found in India. So first is the Tripura, Rajasthan, Maharashtra, and in the Krishna Godavari Delta we are found natural gas. So once again I want to repeat it. So Tripura, Rajasthan, Maharashtra, and in the Krishna Godavari Delta where we are getting the compressed natural gas. Coal, petroleum cannot form in laboratory. I want to just tell you student, and you need to understand this, we could not make coal, petroleum, natural gas in laboratory. We are getting it from naturally only, and for the formation of this natural, what we call it, this fossil fuel take millions of years. Okay, so formation is this process is very slow, so it needs I think tremendous year, and this process cannot be created in laboratory, so we should use it very carefully. Now we are going to discuss about the limitations of fossil fuels. As I told, coal and petroleum are fossil fuels, took millions of years for the conversion of dead organism into fossil fuels. This is the limitation. If we want to replenish it themselves, it is not possible because it is very slow process. Secondly, these resources cannot replenish themselves by quick recycling and replacement within a reasonable time, as we have discussed. So if these resources are used at their present rate of consumption, the known reserves of these fossil fuels will last only a few 100 years causing energy crisis. You know, students, the way we are using it, the way we are consuming it, very soon these reservoirs are going to finish and we will have very high energy crisis. Burning of these fuels as a major cause of air pollution is also linked to global warming. Already we have seen, I have discussed with you in the lesson number 6, combustion and fuel, in that due to burning of these petrochemicals, lots of air pollution is there. In this air pollution there is formation of carbon monoxide gas. This carbon monoxide gas has the tendency to trap sunlight. It does not leave the sunlight, and due to this the temperature of earth is increases and we are facing the problem of global warming, which is very critical problem, and it take us in a very horrible incident or a process which we could not bear. Now, suggestion by PCRA. PCRA is telling us some suggestions they have given us, that drive at constant and moderate speed. What citizen, what this Indians or citizens of India, what are our duties? We have to drive at constant and moderate speed as far as possible. Switch off a engine at traffic lights or at a place where you have to wait. जब भी हम we are waiting somewhere, signal पे हम wait कर रहे हैं, तो we should have to have switch off engine and then we have to wait for the signal. So if all people of India, I want to recommend this to all human beings. So if we will follow this instruction, definitely there is possibility of less air pollution. Ensure correct time then persist. Even ensure regular maintenance of the vehicle. This recommendation is also needful, and you have to just think about it. Means your parents, you can just tell them they have to always take follow-up of maintenance of their vehicle, because if vehicle is not in good condition, definitely it creates lots of pollution, and due to this if this situation will take a long time period, the cases of pollution are also increases. So this was the explanation of your lesson. I hope all of you students understood. Please just like the video. If you are having any query, you can ask me in comment box. What is your response? I want to know in comment box. And just subscribe my channel and share it. Thank you. Bye bye.